Dear students, welcome back to the online classes of science. Do you know our body is made up of more than billion of cells. Each and every cell contains cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. When you get into the nucleoplasm, you have chromosomes. These chromosome molecules are always present inside the nucleus as a combination of protein and chromosomes. During the time of cell division only, it will come alone away from the protein and forming as a thread-like structure which are responsible for transferring hereditary material from this generation to the next generation. These chromosomes are made up of DNA. DNA is nothing but deoxyribonucleic acid. The segment of a DNA is called as a genes. Now we can see the sex determination in living organism. When you see human being, we have 46 chromosomes which are present in the form of 23 pairs. If we take first 22 set of pairs are called autosomes. These autosomes are responsible for creating the phenotypic characters of any living organism. For example, colorness of a human being, hair color of a human being, eye color, height, so etc. We can say many things of our phenotypic characters. If you take last set of chromosome, these are called as a sex chromosome or allosomes. This set of chromosomes are responsible for determining maleness or femaleness of our human being. The last pair of chromosome in male XY, whereas in female it is XX. Female can produce only one type of gametes. If you take male, they can produce two kinds of gametes. When a human male matures, they can produce haploid sperms from diploid cells. They undergo meiotic cell division and they will produce 23 chromosomes only. Whereas if you take female, they will also produce 23 chromosomes. They are all X chromosomes. They can't able to make Y chromosome. When a male releases X chromosome, the baby will be female, whereas the male releases Y chromosome, the baby will be male baby. In human being, man is the person who is responsible for producing maleness or femaleness of the baby. Sometime during the meiotic cell division, the chromosomal deletion or addition will create a different kind of human being. They are called super females. Next we are going to see the sex determination in birds. It is also determined by genetic material which are present inside the chromosomes. Comparing to the human being, here we have opposite kind of mechanism. That is, the male produces same kind of chromosome, whereas female produces the different kind of chromosomes. In male, the gamete Z only. In female, the gametes are produced Z and W. So, here the female are responsible for producing male or femaleness in birds. Next, we are going to see a different kind of sex determination. Here, the temperature of the environment determines the sex of the organism. If you take turtle, When the eggs lay above the 30 degrees Celsius, it develops into female. When the egg lays at below the temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, the organism will develop into male. Whereas if you take crocodile, it is opposite to turtle. The higher the temperature, it will produce maleness, whereas the lower the temperature, it will produce femaleness. When you take an example of sea animal Bonilium, it has a different sexual mechanism. It has a part called proboscis. When the fertilization takes place at the proboscis, the organism will develop into male, whereas if the fertilization takes place away from the proboscis, the organism will develop into female. Okay students, we see in the next class. Until then, take care.